Sony put out some new headphones. I have them right here. The WH-1000 XM4, the hilariously long name. Mm-hmm. So many more people would know about these if we just had some
What would you name them?
Name for it. These could be called Sony headphones Model 1. Sony wireless headphones Model 1. And I could say to people, did you try the Model 1s from Sony? You got to check out the Model 1s. It doesn't matter the name as long as it's something you can say. Mm-hmm. The fact that it's WH-1000 XM4, you know what I end up saying to people? Those new Sony wireless headphones, they're the best. And then a person has to go, which new ones? Because, of course, they have many, many different... They could just be called Sony wireless headphones premium. Mm-hmm. And you would say, no, the new wireless headphones premium for 2020. They could be called the Sony Brain Blasters. I wouldn't want to call them that. But even there, I can still tell people what to go get.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're at such a point right now where it's legendary, these naming conventions, and it does give me a nostalgic feeling because Sony's been doing it forever. And so maybe now it's gone the other direction where people actually have fun with the names.
Yeah.
The WH, whatever it happens to be. Yeah.
Start adding numbers and letters.
Maybe Sony knows something that we don't know. Anyways, these are the new ones. I've been a fan of this series for a long time since it's existed. Of course, my favorite headphones at the moment for portable use are the XM3s, the model before this. I actually use those ones in this color. This is the... well, it's hard to say what this color is. It's a type of gray or like a dull white. I like it because it's different. It looks like a futuristic color to me. So we have the XM4s. People have started to review them. I believe the review embargo lifted. So we're going to make a video very shortly, once again on Unbox Therapy, because we have them here. They are a lot like the previous generation, which, believe it or not, is a good thing because they are my favorite headphones. Don't screw it up. Don't ruin it. But they have a killer feature that was missing that's going to be huge. These are now capable of being paired to more than one device. So you can have them paired to the phone and the laptop at the same time while you're working. That's a killer feature, Will. I know it sounds really small, but if you do a lot of work on your laptop and you need to stay connected to your phone for potentially calls come through, something like this, to not have to repair the thing to another device is huge.
Right. I've been following this one too. The speak to chat is actually pretty cool too. So basically when you start talking, the volume just lowers automatically. Yeah.
Incredible. Yeah, these things have some really sophisticated microphones on them that can be finely tuned for your surroundings. It's the best. I mean, in the app, it's an incredible amount of configurability on deciding how much ambient noise you want versus your music. And this is, I mean, there's a lot of things that go into why this is my favorite headphone, but those are a couple of examples. The sound quality should be mostly the same. The noise canceling is supposedly improved a little bit as well, which it was already tremendous. Mm-hmm. Now these things go up. It's a pretty tough marketplace. They go up against Bose's new 700 product. They go up against, what's the one I did recently? The new Microsoft Surface headphones.
Yes.
They go up against those, and they come in at a premium price. So you're going to want to know if they're any good. And even though they're a lot like the other one, I want to hear them for myself before I tell you what to do. 30 hours music playback. 38 hours of music playback if you turn off noise canceling. 10-minute charge gives you 5 hours of battery life. Of course, hands-free calling, voice assist function, Type-C cable to recharge them. 10 minutes, Will. 10 minutes for 5 hours.
Great.
I know you're excited. Which color would you go for, by the way?
I would go for the grayish one.
The gray one, okay. Yeah. Black is pretty classic too. But anyway, I wanted to bring them out since we're going to make a video on them coming up. It's another little preview for you.